Hello everyone, I'm Juhi Mishra and I will be your voice. I will be the mediator for all the parents out there in this series called Cracking the Parenting Code. So this is a video series where we'll be addressing two questions we have been receiving from parents across the country. So let's start with the first question which we have received. हमारा पहला question is from a parent who is confused about keeping her infant busy. So the question is how to keep my child who is 6 months old busy and not let boredom take over during her infancy. So we have Meenakshi Trivedi today. Meenakshi Trivedi is the founder of Shining Spiral, which happens to be Gujarat's first Waldorf initiative, and she has been into early childhood education since quite some time now. So Meenakshi, over to you. Let's listen to Meenakshi what she has to say about the question.
Thank you, Juhi, for this lovely question. So I would like to begin with the point that the moment a child is born, he is busy. He is very, very busy. क्यों busy है आप सोचोगे, बच्चा कैसे busy हो सकता है? He has come from a very safe environment of the mother's womb, and now he has to acclimatize himself to the temperature change, to the intensity of the light, to the sounds that are around him. So the child is engaged. He is busy. Slowly as days go by, आपने देखा होगा पहले बच्चे की आंखें फोकस नहीं रहती हैं. He doesn't even have control on his limbs. He's just flailing his limbs. So then the task of the child is to first focus his eyes. Gradually the child has to learn to control the movement of the neck to कहते हैं ना गर्दन संभालना. After that the child learns how to crawl. Before the crawling he learns how to take a karvat, take a turn. Then he learns how to crawl. Then the child learns how to walk. He stumbles and then he's able to walk properly, and then he starts running, speaking. Along with it, he's also developing different tastes for food and different things. He's also recognizing people. What I'm trying to point out over here repeatedly by giving all these different examples जिनके बारे में आप सब जानते हो, that the child is not bored at all ever. He has so many things to do that he doesn't have time for boredom. यहाँ तक कि अगर आपने उसके सामने एक गेंद रखी है, एक रंग बिरंगी बॉल रखी है, तो बच्चे का ध्यान उस बॉल की तरफ इतनी देर टिका रहेगा क्योंकि वो उसका रंग एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है, उसकी शेप एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है, उसका सॉफ्टनेस, उसकी हार्डनेस, वॉट एवर द डिफरेंट सेंसेशंस दैट बॉल कैन प्रोवाइड टू हिम, द चाइल्ड इज एब्जॉर्बिंग दैट. ही इज़ अ स्पंज, ही इज़ एब्जॉर्बिंग एवरीथिंग to the extent that a child can spend many minutes just looking at his own hand, just looking at his own toes, or just looking at the ceiling. So children are always engaged in some activity or the other by the help of all their senses. Actually हम तो ये कहते हैं कि बच्चे की जो पूरी बॉडी है, it is a sense organ, and he is using all these senses to absorb different senses or different क्या कहते हैं वो जो the different experiences that are around in the environment. So he doesn't have time to get bored. And याद रखिए, boredom, बोर होना ये एक एडल्ट फिनोमिना है. बच्चे की वोकैबुलरी में ये बिल्कुल शब्द आता ही नहीं है. बच्चे हमेशा बिजी रहते हैं, और आपको एज अ पेरेंट, इफ़ यू वांट टू हेल्प योर चाइल्ड, डोंट वरी अबाउट दिस एंड डोंट इवन थिंक अबाउट दिस. थैंक यू.
Thanks a lot, Meenakshi, for your beautiful explanation. So parents out there, you may drop a question in the comment section. You may directly message us from our page on our account, or you may email us your question at shining.spiral.ahmedabad@gmail.com. The details will be given in the post. So hoping to see some more questions, hoping to resolve some more queries in this journey of our video series called Cracking the Parenting Code.